Actually, there's probably no people that will join us for the rest of the year because Halloween is pretty much over for everyone. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Halloween Happy, where Halloween is more than just once a year. How's it going? Today we are continuing on with mail. So as I'm filming this, it's like mid-October and when does this mail from? I don't know, but we have more mail out in the living room that I will get through. So if your mail is not in this video, have no fear, it'll be in the next one. If this is your first time checking out my channel, actually there's probably no people that will join us for the rest of the year because Halloween is pretty much over for everyone. Not us though, because it's every day. But if for some reason this is a first time watch for you on my channel, hi, my name is Sam. Here I just celebrate Halloween every single day. I bring it into my everyday life, just doing my Halloween happy thing. Soon we'll be having Creepmas, and then we'll be having Creepy New Year, and then we'll be having Halloween. So Halloween is not over, ever. So if you want to stick around and see how we celebrate Halloween here all year round, go ahead and click that subscribe button. Okay, so first package comes from Sean. I feel like this is gonna be too bright. It looks fine in my camera viewfinder, but then when I'm editing it, it looks awful. Okay, hopefully that's a little bit better. Aw, and he always sends little drawings on his packages. Such a nice guy. Sean, I hope you're having a good October. Aw, have fun. Halloween garland. Oh, this one's beautiful. Have a fabulous Halloween. Hi Sam, just a quick note to say hi and hope that everything is good and spooky in Salem. Best wishes for the upcoming spooky season, Sean. Hope Halloween finds you in good spirits. Thank you so much. You're always so kind. I appreciate the banner. And so far, I am having a good October. There's some stuff going on with like help. But for the most part, my October is going well. So thank you so much for thinking of me. Hope you guys are having a spooky season too. Card comes from Miss Glenna. Guys, I'm so excited and happy and proud of Glenna. She's been following me for a while. She actually spent this whole year prepping for a fitness competition. It's just crazy how much time and effort she's put into this. She had her competition like 2 weeks ago. She looked amazing. I'm so happy and proud of her. So if you're watching this, Glenna, like, you are amazing. And we would just always message each other. Like, she'd give me updates and I would check in, see how everything's going. So this is from her. Thinking about you on Halloween. Thank you so much. Happy Halloween, Sam. Keep making incredible videos, sharing your love for Halloween. Have a spooktacular Halloween 2019. I hope you enjoy the candy, which, hang on, is one of the best treats. What does it say? Thinking about you on Halloween is one of the best treats. Happy Halloween. It's late and we are sleepy. The air is cold and still. Our jack-o'-lantern grins at us upon the windowsill. This is gonna make me sad. We're stuffed with gum and candy. We've had a lot of fun, but now it's time to go to bed and dream of all we've done. And Glenna's Instagram is Amy OT. Glenna, poem is by Unknown, and so she sent these little stickers. She sent me a package last time that Raven and Denali got into, and it had candy, and she's like, I'm so sorry. I'm like, no, it's my fault because I left it on the ground with my mail in a bag thinking that they were fine with it. She was like, hey, giving you a heads up, I'm sending you something. There is candy, so watch out for the pups. And stupid me, they left it alone for a few days because I left it out there with everything else. Raven ended up getting into the candy, but I appreciate the thought, Glenna, so I hope you're doing so well. Thankfully, she was okay again. So next package comes from Savannah R from Tennessee. Look at this, guys. Is this like a traveler's notebook or something? I made this super cute junk journal for you. I hope you enjoy it. I hope you have a very Halloween happy kind of day. From Savannah. Savannah Rain 98. YouTube is Rain and Emma's DIYs. Oh yeah! She actually sent me that Halloween dream catcher. I'm pretty positive I showed it in a video. But how cool is that? So this is from her. And of course, anyone who listed any social media in the mail, I will list below. So if you guys are looking for more Halloween happy friends, just want to check out someone who sent us particular thing. So I've actually never had a junk journal or made one, but this is really perfect. I just haven't had time to craft anything, and I just love this so much. With all of these pages, some have little pockets and stuff, and she put little embellishments in there. And then the blank pages, you can kind of just journal down what you've done for the day or what you're thinking, or you could add pictures and you can just kind of craft onto this and make it into your own. So thank you so much, Savannah. That is so cute. Maybe I should like put your guys' notes in there because I do save them. Currently they're just like in that closet in that box right there. So thank you so much, Ghoul. I hope you guys have a good Halloween. Next package comes from Dawn in Georgia. Hi Dawn, how's it going? Thanks for sending something my way. Hey Sam, hope you are having a Halloween happy day. I came across your channel a year or so ago. I love your love for Halloween. You have a great smile and energy. Just wanted to say thanks for being so open about your life, even the not so good stuff. My mom passed away February of 2015. It was the hardest thing I have gone through. I hope you don't mind I'm reading this, but I feel like sometimes it's just nice to share other people. Well, I don't want to say it's my experience to share with other people, but it's not. But from my experience, it helps sharing. So it's the hardest thing I've gone through in my life. I know it's been hard, but I am positive your mom is so proud of you. You bring joy to people and shine your light. I can only imagine how you are in person. Maybe one day I will get to find out. Keep being who you are and keep being Halloween happy. I saw this gift and instantly thought of you. Enjoy, your Halloween happy friend, Dawn. And Dawn's Instagram is DCDawn25. Thanks for thinking of me. That's so kind of you. And I'm so sorry that you lost your mom. Like, I've learned there's really nothing that I can say to make it better. I just hope that you surround yourself with love and happiness and people that care for you and support you and want the best for you. However you have to cope with things, as long as you're not hurting yourself or other people, like just take the time that you need. This is adorable. Oh, this is really special because right now, Denali, which is one of my dogs, this is so weird because you guys always send and always message me like during times that I need your support, so thank you. But currently, like, Denali's not doing good. I found out some stuff about her and we're like towards the end of our journey together, so this means so much. Probably shouldn't have filmed today because I'm like a mess. You guys make me happy, so I wanted to be happy for a second. But Dawn sent this Hallmark keepsake, and it's a little skeleton with his dog. Thank you so much. Sorry to get emotional, guys, and like, I know I haven't said much about Denali and stuff, but it's in this little pumpkin. Has a little skelly guy with his little dog. Thank you so much. That means so much to me. I hope you know that. Next package comes from Stephanie, Ontario. Little card. I love it. It says Happy Halloween. Very cute. Oh, she put some little sequins in that. I love sequins so much. Sam, Happy Halloween. I hope this card finds you well. I found some things I thought you'd like. Some postcards from where I live, some Halloween knickknacks, and some vintage stickers. I hope you like them. Keep being awesome. Love, Steph. And my cat, Minute. What a cute name. Thank you so much. Is that even how you say it though? Am I dumb? Cute little stickers, cute little candy corn embellishment, glass beads, and little pumpkins and bats. The postcards that she sent. I've actually always wanted to visit Canada. Algonquin Park. I hope I'm pronouncing that right. An Ontario card. Cool. Thank you so much. And I hope you and Minute are having a spooky Halloween. I don't see any social media on here, so if you're watching this video, comment below and I'll definitely try to add it to the description box. And I wish you guys the happiest Halloween. It's from Megan P. Megan Ghoul from California. She has the cutest family. This Halloween greeting is spooky. It's true. It's just ghosts to show you that I'm thinking of you. Happy Halloween. How cute. Hope you and the pups are having a wonderful spooky season so far. Happy Halloween. Love, Megan. Megan's Instagram is Megzahoot. You guys definitely gotta check her out. She's such a nice ghoul. Always so sweet and always so positive. Megan, I hope you guys are having a good spooky season. I can't believe it's almost over. Really sad about it, but then I'm not because, you know, Halloween's every day. But thanks for thinking of me, Ghoul. Next card comes from Jenny G from Illinois. Hi, Jenny. Oh, this is adorable. It's a little bus with some spooky monsters and it says Spooky Express. Hope your Halloween is full of frightful fun, screeches, and screams. Happy Halloween, Sam. I hope you all, including the pups, have a fun spooky October, Jenny. It's just so cute how you guys include my dogs into your life too. Her Instagram is at spookyhippo88. Jen is also such a nice ghoul, guys. I've known her for quite some time now. She's always really just supportive and kind. Make sure you guys check everyone out in the description box. Halloween happy fam. It's the best fam. All right, so this is from Destiny, another great friend. Hi, Destiny. This is a really cute card. Destiny, how are you? Okay, let's see if we can open this up. Oh, we got lots of sequins. I love that. This is cute. So she made this little candy corn. Look at him, little candy corn friend. Conjured you up a special treat, a tiny creature that tastes so sweet. It can't fight back with no arms or feet, just in case you decide to eat. Happy Halloween 2019, Destiny and Eric. Check out Destiny. She's known as Bewitchcraft on Instagram. She's always commenting on the videos, and I just love her so much. I love all of you guys so much. Next card comes from Daylene. Hi Daylene, it's so great to hear from you again. So we have this card that says it's Halloween with this beautiful black cat, all these great stickers inside. Be as witchy as you want. Hey Sam, it's Val. We've talked on Snapchat and Facebook. I work at Dollar Tree. We got this card and stickers in, and I immediately thought of you. I hope you're having the best day ever. Your friend Val. Thank you so much for sending me those stickers. I love them. Ghoul. I would be so busy just playing with all the Halloween stuff at Dollar Tree. Like, I'd probably get in trouble because I would just lay there on the floor snuggling with all the Halloween decor. Thank you so much, Val, for thinking of me, and I hope you are having the best October ever. Thank you so much. All right, next card comes from, I can't tell. A simple wish this Halloween. Let's be spoopy. A little cute drawing of a ghost in there. Dear Sam, wishing you, Raven, and Denali a very spooky and happy Halloween, especially in Salem. Looking forward to more of your videos and posts to your friends, Liz and Madison. And their Instagram is Kitty Pupcake. I just love that you guys include my dogs. That just means so much to me. Alright, next card comes from Jessica E. from Ohio. Hi, Jess. Ooh, this is a pretty card. Oh no. It says Happy Halloween. Wishing you a Halloween filled with good old-fashioned fun. Let the power of Halloween charge up your broomstick as well as your soul. Let the full moon bring all good things into your life. Yes, please. Thank you. Jessica, thank you so much for taking the time to even send me a little hello. It means so much to me. She also included this little play pack, which is adorable. It has like these little color pages in there. That's so cute. Thank you so much, Ghoul. I hope that you're having a good October and happy Halloween. Probably split these in a few videos like I always try to do. Oh, how fun. This is from Danielle from Verona Black. I love that. So she actually used the photo of her product as the card. That's so cute. You guys gotta check her out. It's Verona Black. She does a lot of like goth, spooky accessories and purses and stuff. She's the sweetest. 'Tis the night of Grave's delight, and the warlocks at their play. Ye think that without the wild winds shout, but do. It is they have a magical Halloween. Oh, she put have a magical Salem Halloween. Thank you so much. See if I'm gonna wrap it up after this one. Oh, it's cute. Little spooky cat. This is a beautiful card. Boom. A spooky wish made just for you for lots of treats and good fun too. Hope you have an amazing Halloween. Adam. Adam, thank you so much. It's so great to hear from you. I really appreciate the card, and I hope you have a happy Halloween too. Okay guys, I'm gonna end this mail video right here. So thank you to everyone who was so kind enough to take time out of their life to send a little Halloween hello to me. It means so much. Be sure you guys check the description box if you're interested in finding any other Halloween happy friends. Just thanks for watching this video. Thanks for always being with me, and thanks for always being so supportive. I'll try to get this video up before Halloween, but if I don't, I hope you had a good Halloween. Yeah. If you want more Halloween happy, don't forget to check me out on social media. I'm on Instagram, Facebook. All my links are listed down below. If you liked this video, and if you're just excited for Halloween, throw a thumbs up my way. Thank you so much for watching. I really, really appreciate it. I love you guys so much. I hope this video finds you having a Halloween happy kind of day, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.